It is moving day. The glass cupboard. Floor in the area, it's really cold. Hello guys, and welcome back to my vlogs. I was actually supposed to start in the car, but it is moving day, so I am starting 2020. You'll be watching this in 2020. Happy New Year. I hope you are all well and hope you have a lovely start to your year. So,
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. I'm with Lorenzo. Everyone's on their way with everything, but we came up here a little bit earlier with the food and just my bits, just so I can kind of get all of it out the way. I did a move yesterday with my brother and my dad, which was super handy. So yeah, so we are unboxing. I thought I'd try and vlog as much as I can. So I'm here with Lorenzo. Lorenzo, say hello.
All right.
Hello, darling. So yeah, so we're just kind of undoing my bits. We've got borrowing my mum and dad's sofa for now because I am actually doing chop. I am actually doing a collaboration with a brand, which is really exciting. But furniture takes forever, so we have to wait for that. Got the TV up. Everything's kind of in a sense of order. I've just opened up a lovely parcel from Molten Brown, and they've kindly sent me loads of shower gels, so we are really stocked up. A really nice candle. Don't know if you can see over there, there's like a really nice hand soap, which I'll show you in a bit. I'm gonna go and take these into the bathroom, because also in the bathroom, I have already taken out a large candle from Molten Brown. How beautiful. So yeah, so I'm just kind of organising everything and putting everything in a position, or like kind of in their designated rooms of where things are going to be. So that's what we're doing now. So we thought we'd do this so that when people arrive it's kind of less hectic. So yeah, really exciting. So I think I might put you on a little time lapse whilst we get this done, because they are on their way, so I want to kind of be as quick as possible. So where's my first time lapse gonna be? We are finally in our little apartment. It is so beautiful. We've still got quite a lot to organise. As you can see, I've got boxes here, but we've basically just thrown everything in, so it's just put away. We both don't properly go back to work until the 4th of January, which is really lovely. So yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna take things slow. I think we're gonna organise the kitchen tomorrow. We do have Laurie and Finn staying here tonight, which will be really lovely, and I think they might be staying here till New Year. So yeah, that'll be really lovely. But it is so lovely, it's so cozy, and it just feels like home, which is really lovely. So probably tomorrow I'll go through everything with you and where everything is and give you like a proper home tour. But yeah, it looks really lovely in here and super cozy, and I'm so happy with it. I didn't sleep at all last night. I slept for 3 hours because I was just so stressed, but you know, like, I think that's just normal. But yeah, super happy with the place. Everything just looks beautiful and suits the place. But yeah, I can't wait to show you it properly because it is honestly beautiful. So yeah, and it just looks all really good. So I'll kind of show you what it looks like now. So I've just got everything here. I've still got creaky floorboards because I feel like I've gone for a place place, which is kind of similar to my old place. And yeah, everything looks quite put together. Boys are watching football. Dressing gowns. This is what the office looks like for now. We've both got the rails up, but it looks really big, which is really lovely. These are from made.com, and these are Helena's really nice vase and flowers. How's this work stuff? Mine, we've got the Wi-Fi just fitted in. So yeah, we're just putting everything in place now, just to make it look really lovely. Got some lovely molten and brown stuff, and that just smells incredible. So yeah, so I think I will call it quits tonight. I'll probably show you what we're actually doing for dinner. So catch you guys in a bit. So we did have a little bit of a heavy one last night, so we are all literally feeling so worse for wear, but it was really lovely. It was such a fun evening. We all were like, we haven't been this drunk in such a long time. It was so lovely. Hells and Finn are off to the shops. They've just gone to go get some bits for dinner. Here we're gonna do like a big pasta, like really nice comfort food. I'm just doing a little bit of sorting because I feel like that's what has flopped today. That was my main thing to get done, was my bedroom, but it doesn't matter because I do have a lot of time to do it before kind of like officially going back to work. But yeah, this is what I've kind of done so far. So because I've got like a mirror here, which is handy, kind of doing like all my like trinkets and stuff like that, kind of like trying to organize it. That's just a mess, but I was like, that's my office cupboard, but I might put that in the office. Then I'm actually going to keep this potentially as my makeup drawer. You might see how that goes, just to get a feel of it. But other than that, that looks kind of tidy. All my boxes were here, so I wanted to get rid of that. And yeah, super happy with my place. It is freezing in here though, however, so we are trying to kind of like get to the bottom of it. We don't know if it's because no one's lived in the place for a very long time. I look a mess. I look so tired. I'm gonna have a proper refresh tomorrow. I can't wait. So yes, we're not too sure, but it gets so cold in here, so we're kind of like doing little hacks, like making sure that at night time you just put the curtains away very quickly, like before it gets too dark and colder, and then like make sure you show the heaters so the curtains don't hide the heat. So yeah, that's what I'm kind of doing at the moment. It looks a lot better, but yeah, I'll probably speak to you guys properly tomorrow because I want to do quite a big vlog before the kind of the like moving in and like New Year's. But Helena and I actually sorted out the cupboards, so I'll quickly show you that. So we've done like, because we've got the like hob here, we thought like cans, seasonings, things like that, pasta, rice. We have a lot of storage. It's really cool. And then you've got like rice in jars and like lentils, and then extra like jars and stuff for storage. In here we have like all the breakfast stuff and like coffee and stuff, and then we have like bread, eggs, oats, almond, and some other stuff, and like some like protein bars, crisps, more oat milk. And then here is the glass cupboard. It looks really aesthetically pleasing. And then coffee, like condiments. And then in here is just like bin lining and foil, sweets and towels, and then cleaning products, which work really lovely. So that's fine. And then we're doing like knives and forks in here. Plates and stuff kind of need organising. And then like pots and pans and stuff like that. But yeah, no, it's looking really lovely. We've just kind of we went for a walk earlier, which was really lovely. We didn't stay long. And then we came home, been watching Frozen 2, and Helena and I have been busy bees with kind of sorting out tax, the bills. Like there was a massive bill for the landlord. Yeah, for the landlord, which was crazy. So we were like, we need to give that to you ASAP. But you know, I'm really loving the flat. The flat is wonderful. I definitely need to do a recycle and bin run tomorrow. We literally look like we've had a massive party, but there was literally just us lot. And yeah, just looks so lovely. And then our lovely neighbours gave us a card. We're very fortunate. Our neighbours are so nice. Yeah, really nice. Kind of wanting to make sure, like, I don't know where to put these, but for now they look cute there. Might be a bit too hot next to the radiator. Basket needs to go, and then kind of organise that as well. So I think that's tomorrow's jobs, like just play. But at the moment I'm kind of happy with this arrangement. Maybe get these books on that shelf. I'll remove these. But yeah, really happy. It's looking so cute. So yeah, I'm just in the mix of organising everything. So yeah, I'll probably show you us making some pasta, or I may not, and I might just go to bed and see you guys in the morning, but who knows. Me and Helena are cooking tonight, making a little curry. Got the olives out, yum. And we got some lovely organised spices in the jam jars. So I think we're gonna just try and do a Sri Lankan curry. Yeah, and just go with the flow. I'm just doing some like garlic and onions. Look at that, teamwork. Have you ever known a more dreamy team? House team. Delightful. Yum, yum, yum. And then I'm gonna put the spices in and just fry that off. I'm gonna do like a spoonful of Sri Lankan. Don't have to just do, because that will, those two together will be too pungent, won't they? Oh, it smells amazing. Yum! Good morning, guys. It is the 31st of December, which is so crazy. I'm so excited for 2021. Oh, my friend House has just put my picture there. I didn't even realise that. That's so cute. But yeah, I just got ready. I've curled my hair today. I haven't curled my hair in a very long time, and it's okay. I'm not used to it, but I quite like this kind of like undone curl. I'm just leaving it at the moment, and then hopefully it will drop really nicely. Just got ready and just put on this really cute ASOS coat, which is so lovely. I just love the colour of it. It's super cozy, and I actually have my white beanie potentially to go with it. I haven't decided yet, and then I'll probably put on some long boots or my new Chloe boots. I've been desperate to wear them, but I haven't had anywhere to wear them. So yeah, but I really want to do some photos today. I think we're gonna go on a walk. I think we're gonna go towards Battersea potentially, just to get an idea of where everything is and explore a new area. Yesterday we went and explored Norton Road and Old Clapham. But yeah, we need to go and get some bits and bobs for tonight and tomorrow. So tonight the plan is to make some sushi, and then we're going to order some like takeaway food, like some noodles or something like that, like Asian vibe. So that would be really lovely. We are stocked up on champagne. Sorry, you can hear the boys in the background. So yeah, it'll be a really nice day, and then we are thinking about doing a roast tomorrow, which will be lovely. So yeah, so I've just got myself ready. I'm trying to make the most of the everyone here is like when we go for a walk, I try and just grab a photo because I am low on content, and I need to find some new people. Well, I know people, but I need to book in dates with some friends to shoot in London, just because usually I shoot with Inns, and obviously I don't live in Brighton anymore. And yeah, and I also need to book in a day with my Sarah. I'm so excited to see Sarah, and I'm so excited to show her the place. I think we can actually shoot in my house because it's work, which I need to do. So I think we need to look at the rules for it. But yeah, fingers crossed. If not, we'll just shoot outside and probably round Clapham, because then she can drive and she is able to park on my drive, because luckily we are in a group chat with our neighbours. The drive is free. We just got to let people know when someone, like a guest, is turning up and needs to park there. But other than that, so I thought I'd quickly show you my outfit. So I thought I'd show you in like a long length mirror. So this is the coat. It is so cute. Love it so much. The lighting here is really good. But yeah, it's this really nice long teddy coat from ASOS, and I'm gonna wear it with some heel boots or my patent boots, and then wrap myself up with a scarf or a beanie hat. So yeah, Loz and I had some breakfast, gave our anniversary cards because it's our 9th anniversary today. Well, today / tomorrow / midnight. We don't really get the... If it's midnight, does that mean that our anniversary is today? Tomorrow? Let me know. But yeah, I will take you with us today, but I thought I'd quickly show you my outfit.
And actually that's even better, to be able to look at the shot is even better. That's pretty mental, isn't it?
We are by the river. We've just gone for a long walk around Battersea. We actually went into a shop called Sage and Barley, or Barley and Sage.
I think so.
Bailey, Sage, I don't know. We bought truffle trays for like £4 a packet, but you know what, it's New Year's, treat ourselves. But it's freezing, but it's like the food was incredible, wasn't it though? It looked so like,
I haven't tried it yet.
Like, but like all the like cheese stands and the meat stands, like it just looked so good. But yeah, so we're on a walk now, kind of back towards our place. We still need to do a little bit more shopping. We need to get some sushi bits. But yeah, we're just exploring the area. It's really cold, freezing. Laurie's still in his mask. Laurie's got like 3 jumpers on as well, bless his soul.
Not enough.
But yeah, no, it's been really cute. The weather's actually kind of all right, but look at the view. My baby boys and girls. Super cute. Very excited for tonight. It'll be cute, won't it?
Lovely.
We chose this place specifically for that it's like a perfect ping pong. How perfect. Welcome to the island. We know how to sort out ourselves for New Year's Eve, homemade sushi, and ping pong.
We can't fucking win together, mate.
I know. Yeah, but you and Laurie are gonna win. Have discovered me and Finn are the girl and boy version of each other, and Laurie and Helena are the boy girl version of each other. So Laurie and Helena together are gonna be absolutely fine and win hand dandy. And me and Finn, like, I'm really sorry, Finn.
Don't worry, I'm basically an American jock. We've got this in the bag.
Doing the entertainment.
Yeah, we do both know the dance, the hoe down, throw down. That's because we're going to have to throw down with these hoes, so don't worry about that.
So we'll be fine. It's not all about winning, guys.